chicken stir fry. Here are the ingredients: olive oil, salt and pepper, green onions, fresh lime, and fresh garlic. Followed by chicken breast, boneless, fresh broccoli, soy sauce, rice noodles, and eggs. You first start off with green onions. Gonna cut the tip off. And I'm going to use the white part of green onion because it's more packed with flavor than the actual ends. So I'm just going to slice these into real thin slices. Now I start to prepare my broccoli, right? I'm going to start off by cutting off the large stem, as you can see. Then I'm just going to follow the line. Just go straight down, see? As you can see, I'm following the line, straight down. Broccoli head. Do it again, straight down. Broccoli head. See, just follow the groove, okay? With the tip of your knife, just go straight down, see? And just trim it off. See, just cut it off right there. And you have mini broccoli heads. If you want to cut the stems even shorter, just do it like that, and then continue to cut down the grooves. See, what I want to do with this particular dish is that I want to keep some of the stems, but I want to separate them, okay? So I'm actually going to cut some of them off and just keep it instead of tossing them away. Because I'm going to use that. As you can see, I got one piece of a boneless chicken breast. Cut off some of that fat there at the edge. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this chicken here, hold it firmly, and slice it right down the middle. Just like that. And I'm actually going to butterfly it. There you go. So now what I'm going to take is my rolling pin here, and I'm actually going to flatten the chicken breast. Okay, the thinner, the better. And the reason why I want to do this is because I'm going to cut them into thin slices. This actually helps the chicken cook faster, and it browns and cooks at the same time when it's cut nicely thin. And I'll do the same on the other side. So now I got it all flattened out. What I want to do is now cut them into small slices, real thin slices. Just like this. As you can see, that's the slice, the size, and the shape I want. try my best to keep all the slices the same and even. Like I said, a big for a much crispier chicken. It cooks faster. It's definitely more brown as you cook. So now I'm gonna do my rice noodles here, okay? I'm gonna set them in a bowl, and I'm gonna pour extremely hot water onto it and let it sit for 25 to 30 minutes. Yeah, some people call it glass noodles because it looks like glass. So there's different names for it. Just pour hot water over it. Let it sit for 25 minutes. Check the temperature. You might have to add more hot water to it as time goes by, but it has to be immersed in hot water in order for it to soften up. As you can see, I'm about maybe 20 minutes in. So what I'm doing is I'm loosening them up. You can use your fingers, go through it, all right, and unstick them, and continue to add more hot water to it, okay? That will help the process. 25, 30 minutes. This is a tip. It's always good to have all your ingredients in order, organized, ready to go. So you just toss it in there as you go. It's a fast moving type of dish. So I start with the wok at high heat, then I bring it down to like medium. All right, I put about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Coat the pan. And start throwing in my chicken. As you can see, the oil's sizzling. That's what you want. Right? And start tossing. Start cooking them. Okay? Like I said, the thinner the slices, the quicker it cooks. It browns as it cooks, which makes the cooking process much easier, more convenient, and quicker. Just keep an eye on it. Now you can see it's browning up and it's cooking. Now I throw in my garlic, thinly sliced. And my green onions. Give them a quick toss. I want all the ingredients, the chicken, the garlic, and the green onions to start to get crispy on me. You could actually smell the aroma coming up. That's when you know you're doing a good job. Now I'm going to toss in my broccoli, just like that. People normally would take broccoli and blanch them, meaning that they will actually throw it in water and boil it. But here, I want to maintain that crispiness of the broccoli. So it's going in there raw, and it's going to be tossed in with all the ingredients because I want that crunch at the end of my dish. It'll still cook through, trust me. Now I'm going to add some soy sauce on there, okay? Just a little bit, about maybe a tablespoon or 2, okay? Just to prevent it from drying up. Now I'm going to give that a little toss. Continue the cooking process until the broccoli starts to soften up a little bit, but not too much. You want to keep that crunch, remember. At this point, here's where I add some salt and pepper, okay? Just for taste. Yep, still tossing it, cooking it through. It's looking good right now. Now I just put it to the side and go on my next stage of cooking. Now I'm going to take 2 eggs, crack them, scramble them to add to the dish.
Daddy?
Yes, baby. Little salt and pepper. And put them in the wok. In the wok. Now the wok is piping hot. I'm just gonna put a little bit of olive oil just to coat it. And I'm gonna start to scramble my eggs. As you can see, the wok is piping hot. Throwing in my eggs.
Daddy.
Yes, baby. And I'm gonna start to whisk. Yeah. Just finished stirring up my noodles, and now I'm just gonna go and throw in my vegetables. Okay. And then I'm gonna throw in the noodles. Excuse my sous chef in the background there. Now I'm gonna add a little bit more soy sauce to the mix and start to blend everything in. You add as you go. Just might add a little bit more or less. Now it's time to put on the plate. Make sure to add a little extra chicken, a little extra broccoli to make the plate look nice. And to top off the dish, a little slice of lime, freshly squeezed. So here you go, guys. Stir chicken, steel crossway. Enjoy. And remember, guys, respect the food.